Hi there, welcome to the Discovery Team. Every single year, scientists discover between 15,000 and 18,000 new animal species. These increasing numbers of animal discoveries tell us that countless thousands, perhaps millions, of animals are left to discover. So, for the sake of your viewing pleasure and awareness, we've gathered some of the strangest and creepiest creatures on the planet. So now, we will be looking at 10 creatures you won't believe exist. Number 1. Star-nosed mole. This is an incredibly unique small mole, which is commonly found in eastern Canada and the United States. It is easily identified by its star-shaped nose. Now you might be wondering what is the star nose and what it works for. The star is not for the smell, as you might guess, but instead it acts as a touch organ. It is made up of epidermal sensors called Eimer's organs. Since the star-nosed mole is blind, it uses its receptors to see the world and sniff out its prey. Amazing, right? Number 2. Gariel. The Gariel is a species in the Gavialidae family, which are closely related to crocodiles. It is known for its elongated, narrow snout, which is similar only to the tomastoma, and many sharp interlocking teeth along the Gariel's elongated jaws. So obviously these special features make them incredibly skilled predators in the water. The Gariel is one of the largest of all crocodilian species, with males reaching up to 5 to 6 meters in length. Females, however, grow to a length of 3.5 to 4.5 meters. Sadly, the Gariels are listed as critically endangered by the IUCN Red List. Today, only fragmented populations remain in Nepan and northern India, so it's a really rare creature. Number 3. Panda Ant. Contrary to its name, the panda ant is in fact not an ant at all, but a wasp. It is included in the order Hymenoptera, which includes insects such as wasps, bees, and ants. The panda ant is a native to Chile. However, it has recently been spotted in parts of Mexico and in the southwestern United States. Though this beautiful coloration of the ant is eye-catching and resembles the coat of China's giant panda, it serves as warning coloration to predators. The panda ant can grow up to 8 millimeters long and live up to 2 years. Sadly, this species is on the verge of extinction. Number 4. Kangaroo rat. As the name implies, the kangaroo rats have some kangaroo-like body features. These features include long tails and big hind feet with 4 toes. They have large heads with big eyes and small ears, possessing a sandy brown color with a white underbelly. Similar to kangaroos, these small animals, standing only 6 inches tall, hop at distances of around 9 feet, and bear smaller front legs than hind legs. Incredibly, these rats also have fur-lined pouches that they use to store food only. Sadly, the lifespan of a wild kangaroo rat is not very long. It lives only 2 to 5 years. Number 5. The Texas blind salamander. It is a very rare type of salamander that only dwells in and around the Edwards Aquifer, near San Marcos, Texas. This creature is very easy to identify because of its lack of eyes and nearly translucent body. Because of its blindness, the salamander stays underwater and in dark caverns. Though small, the Texas blind salamander is an active predator. It moves its head from side to side as it searches for food and hunts by sensing water for its prey, which typically includes tiny snails and shrimp. I bet this animal list is getting interesting for you now. But hold on, we aren't done with the list yet. Number 6. Dumbo Octopus. Also widely known as Grumpotopus, the Dumbo Octopus was named after its apparent resemblance to Dumbo, the iconic Disney character in the 1941 film Dumbo. Dumbo octopuses live in the deep open ocean down to depths of at least 13,100 feet, and perhaps much deeper. It is the only octopus to swim at such depths and can be found all around the world. The largest Dumbo octopus ever recorded was 5 feet 10 inches, 1.8 meters, long, and weighed 13 pounds, 5.9 kilograms. The average lifespan of the Dumbo octopus, Grumpotopus, species is 3 to 5 years. Number 7. Sea dragon. The sea dragons are some of the most ornately camouflaged creatures on the planet. Adorned with gossamer, leaf-shaped appendages over their entire bodies, they are perfectly outfitted to blend in with the seaweed and kelp formations they live amongst. Leafy sea dragons are closely related to seahorses and pipefish. The leafy sea dragons are so thin that they are nearly invisible. Uses 2 fins, 1 pectoral and 1 dorsal to move along the water. This creature is hard to observe in the wild, and therefore there are no direct measurements of their lifespan yet. However, in captivity, sea dragons are known to have lived for up to 9 years, which is considerably longer than their relatives, the seahorses, which usually only live up to 5 years. Number 8. Pink fairy armadillo. The pink fairy armadillo is the smallest armadillo species, at around 13 centimeters in length. It is like a fuzzy caterpillar crossed with a lobster. This creature is usually found in sandy plains and dry scrublands of South America. It is known as the sand swimmer due to its ability to quickly travel through subterranean sands. It's no wonder it spends most of its life beneath the ground. The armadillo pumps blood through its shell to regulate body temperature. This blood pumped in the shell gives the armadillo its unique pink color. Number 9. The blue dragon. The blue dragon is a brightly colored species of sea slug that can be found floating upside down on the surface of the open ocean. It displays a form of camouflage called countershading to protect itself from predators. Since its bright blue underside blends in with the ocean, the blue dragon intelligently provides camouflage against airborne predators. This little genius also uses the silver-gray backside that blends in with the sky to make it harder to be seen by underwater predators. Though it only measures about an inch in length, the blue dragon is a capable predator. It feeds on stinging hydrozoans and stores the venomous nematocysts after it feeds. It then uses the venom as its own deterrent against predators. This creature is so smart as to surviving. Number 10. Blobfish. The blobfish didn't just top our list, it was voted the world's ugliest animal, and it serves as a mascot for the Ugly Animal Preservation Society. This creature looks like a normal fish until it is removed from the deep sea, and it compresses. Clearly, we can't deny the fact that the blobfish is no Prince Charming. Maybe in the sea, definitely not on land. The blobfish, also considered to be one of the laziest creatures in the sea, rarely moves due to its lack of muscle tone, which also contributes to its ugly appearance. These fish are mostly found on the ocean floor outside of Australia, Tasmania, and New Zealand. Now, which of these creatures amuse you the most? Let us know in the comment box below. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Please like and subscribe so you can keep getting more videos like this.